So we get the question of how often should we replace the pads? So we have two types of pads. We have the 4-step pads and the resin pads. Resin pads are great for surface polishing as well as edge polishing. The 4-step pads are specifically designed for working in the field, face polishing repairs. So the 4-step pads work both on marble and quartz. So the square footage that they cover will vary based on the surface that you're working on. On marble, because it's a softer product, you'll get about 40 square feet of coverage out of the 4-step pads. For quartz, you're going to get about 20 square feet of coverage just because of the increased hardness. So when you need pads for your next project, the 4-step pads, the resin pads, click on the link below. You can purchase those on our website. We also offer the Pro Kit, which includes the polish and both types of pads. So go ahead and click on the link below for more information and purchase there.